Students, welcome to mathematics class. So we are doing mensuration chapter, that is from paper 2, exercise 10.1, fourth question. I'll be reading it for you all. Fourth question: the lateral surface area of a cylinder is equal to the curved surface area of a cone. The lateral surface area of a cylinder is equals to curved surface area of a cone. If their base be the same, find the ratio of the height of the cylinder and to the slant height of the cone. आप लोगों को पता है माँ, इसको क्या बोलते हैं माँ? This is called as slant height L. ये क्या है? H. This is what? R. This is R and this is H. यहाँ पर हमको रेशियो फाइंड करना है माँ. ओके, सो फर्स्ट गिवन क्या है माँ? LSA ऑफ सिलेंडर, LSA ऑफ सिलेंडर इज इक्वल टू, अब क्वेश्चन में देखिए माँ, lateral surface area of a cylinder is equals to curved surface area of cone. This is given. यहाँ से हमको हिंट मिलता. LSA of cylinder फॉर्मूला 2 pi r h is equals to CSA of cone pi r l. ओके, ये आपको गिवन है. अब देखो माँ, यहाँ से पाई गेट कैंसिल, आर गेट कैंसिल, 2h is equals to l. Keep it aside. What you have to find? Ratio of height of cylinder to the slant height of the cone, that is h. Ratio of cylinder, height of cylinder to slant height of cone, that is h is to l फाइंड करना है आपको. h is to l फाइंड करना है. अब देखिए मैं यहाँ पर h is to l क्या आया मैं अपने को? l क्या आया? 2 times h. तो मैं l की जगह क्या डालूंगी? 2h. कहाँ से आया? देखो माँ, l is equals to 2h. अब मैं l की जगह क्या डाल रही हूँ मैं? 2h. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं रहा तो 1 रहता. h get cancelled. Therefore the ratio is 1:2. It is very simple and very, very important problem. Is it clear? Let's move to the next question. Fifth question. I'm reading the question. Please keep textbook in front of you. A self-help group wants to manufacture joker's cap. Again joker's cap. You should recollect joker's cap मतलब कौन सा shape रहता. A self-help group wants to manufacture joker's cap of 3 centimeter radius and 4 centimeter height. That is, radius is equals to 3 centimeter and height is equals to 4 centimeter. This is given. If the available color paper sheet is 1000 centimeter square, अवेलेबल शीट जिसमें से बनाने का है वो 1000 सेंटीमीटर है, देन हाउ मेनी कैप्स कैन बी मैन्युफैक्चर्ड फ्रॉम द पेपर शीट. फर्स्ट जोकस कैप, आप लोग जोकस कैप बोलते हैं, आप लोगों को खुद ब खुद ही रिकलेक्ट हो जाना था. दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड LSA ऑफ कोन. जोकस कैप मतलब LSA ऑफ कोन, दैट इज पाई आर एल. R इज हाउ मच? 3 सेंटीमीटर एंड H इज हाउ मच? 4 सेंटीमीटर. सबसे पहले हम L फाइंड करेंगे. L इज नथिंग बट रूट ऑफ R स्क्वायर प्लस H स्क्वायर, दैट इज L इज इक्वल्स टू रूट ऑफ 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर. L इज इक्वल्स टू रूट ऑफ 3 3 जा 9 प्लस 16. सो L इज इक्वल्स टू 25 रूट 25, दैट इज L इज इक्वल्स टू 5. वी गॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ L. ठीक है, अब LSA फाइंड करेंगे माँ. LSA of cone or area of paper sheet required to manufacture one cone, that is pi r l. 22/7. R is 3 and L is how much? L is 5. Multiply this. आप जब इनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा माँ? मल्टीप्लाई 22 into 3 30 by 7 centimeter square. Okay, this is what we got area of one cap. हमको ये क्या आया ना, एरिया ऑफ वन कैप आया. ठीक है, देखिए आप लोग, वन कैप बनाने के लिए हमको 330/7 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर पेपर शीट लग रहा. ओके, नंबर ऑफ कैप्स और ये क्या, एरिया. ओके, नंबर ऑफ कैप्स एंड एरिया. वन कैप बनाने के लिए हमको 330/7 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर लग रहा. हमारे पास है अवेलेबल इज हाउ मच, अवेलेबल colored paper is how much, 1000 centimeter square. So how many caps it will be? So that is nothing but 1000 divided by 330/7. So 1000 into 7 by 330. 1000 into 7 by 330. This 0 get cancelled. 700/33. When you divide 21.2 something, it goes on. Therefore, number of caps can be manufactured is 21. Therefore, number of 21 caps can be made from the 1000 centimeter square colored paper. Okay, how many caps? 21 caps can be manufactured from 1000 centimeter square colored paper sheet. Is it clear? हम multiply कब करते हैं माँ? One cap is given and he is asking us to find more caps, then we are going to multiply. Here is what area is given. ज़्यादा area we are going to find. One cap is given and you have to find more, that time you are going to multiply. यहाँ पर कब डिवाइड करेंगे माँ? यहाँ पर आपको होल दे दिया, आपको you have to find how many he is asking. One is given and the area is given. आपको कितने बना सकते हैं, that time you have to divide. ये कॉन्सेप्ट तो आप लोग बचपन में पढ़े से, 1 to multiply and 1 to divide. Now let's move to the sixth question. The sixth question. A cylinder and a cone have bases of equal radii and are of equal heights. Show that the volumes are in the ratio of 3:1. We have to prove that, or we have to show that volumes are in the ratio of 3:1. We have to show this. That means volume of cylinder is to volume of cone. Volume of cylinder formula क्या है माँ? Volume of cylinder is pi r square h is to 1/3 pi r square h. Pi get cancelled, r square get cancelled, h get cancelled, h and h get cancelled. 1:1/3. Cross multiply, 3:1. Therefore, the volumes are in the ratio of 3:1. This you have to conclude it. Now let's move to the seventh question. Very easy exercise, ma. Very easy exercise. You just know the formula. If you know the formula, then it becomes very easy. That's it. In this, nothing else is there. A shape of solid iron rod is a cylindrical. A shape of a solid iron rod is a cylindrical. If its height is 11 centimeter and diameter is given there. Diameter is 7 centimeter. Find the volume of 50 rods. First, we are going to find the volume of one rod. Okay. Volume of one rod or volume of cylinder. हम volume of cylinder क्यों डाल रहे हैं माँ? Because this iron rod is in the shape of cylinder. So volume of cylinder pi r square h. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Here the diameter is given as 7 centimeter. Therefore radius is what? Half of diameter, that is 7/2 centimeter. That is volume is equals to 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2 into 11. Okay, 7 get cancel, 2 1s are 2 11s are nothing. अब आपको मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए इसको, या फिर वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल्स टू 11 7s are 77 into 11, 77 into 11 that is 847/2 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. ओके, ये हमको क्या है, हमारा वॉल्यूम ऑफ 1 सिलेंडर है. अब हमको क्या फाइंड करना है, हमारा वॉल्यूम ऑफ 50 सिलेंडर्स. वॉल्यूम ऑफ 50 सिलेंडर्स, दैट मीन्स 847/2 into 50. 2 1s are 2 25s are. When you multiply 847 into 25, you'll be getting 21175 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. कंक्लूजन इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, आप लोग कंक्लूजन कर लेंगे. ओके, हाउ वी डिड दिस, सेंटीमीटर वॉल्यूम ऑफ 50 cylinders. Is it clear? Now let's move to the next question. See, 8th question you are going to do it as an homework because it is very easy. I'll just explain you. A heap of rice is in a form of a cone. Heap of rice is in a form of a cone whose diameter is 12 meters and height is 8 meters. Find the volume. Very easy. Volume of a cone, you have to going to put the formula, that is 1/3 pi r square h, 1/3 pi r square h. Substitution, that's it. एक वो है my 8 bit. Next, how much canvas cloth is required to cover the heap, that is LSA of cone. Just put the formula and do the substitution work. I am going to do the 9th question. With this the exercise will be completed. 9th question, the curved surface area of a cone is 4070 centimeter square. This is given. Curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of a cone is 4070 centimeter square. And diameter is given. Diameter is nothing but 70 centimeters. Find the slant height. You have to find slant height, that is L. L हमको find करना है. Okay? चलिए, CSA of cone formula is what? पहले हम रेडियस फाइंड करेंगे. रेडियस इज हाफ ऑफ डायमीटर, दैट इज 70/2, दैट इज 35 सेंटीमीटर. CSA of a cone formula is what? Pi r L. CSA of a cone is what? CSA of cone is pi r L. That is 22/7 into 35 into L is equals to 4070. CSA of cone दे दिया आपको, that is CSA of cone formula डाल दिया हम लोग pi r L. CSA of cone मैं पूरा नहीं लिखी, it means the same. CSA of cone, okay, pi r L. अब हम L फाइंड करेंगे. L कैसा फाइंड करेंगे माँ? बाय ट्रांसपोजिंग दिस डिवीजन चेंजेस टू न्यू मल्टीप्लीकेशन. डिवीजन किस में चल जाता माँ? 4070 into 7 एंड मल्टीप्लीकेशन किधर आता माँ? दैट कम्स टू डिवीजन, दैट इज 4070 into 7 by 22 into 35. सिंपल कैंसलेशन वर्क और आपको L की वैल्यू आ गई. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. ओके, 5 1s are 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. Clear? Now in 11 table it will go 11 2s are 11 7s are 77, 78 79 80 81. 4 लेफ्ट हो गया. 11 4s are 44, 11 4s are 44, 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 7s are. Therefore slant height L is equals to 37 centimeter. Conclusion आप लोग को करना है. This is all for today's class. Have a good day. Bye.